Be strong.
Hi everyone, today I just want to show you my Dremel 3D40 setup, how I've got it to work with any spool. Basically I've printed off a filament stand, available on Thingiverse. It fits absolutely perfect, just right on the bed there. I've removed the side panel and the PTFE tube I've replaced, so it's a little bit thicker and a little bit wider than what came with it, because what I find is that is what's causing some issues. When they start to wear out, it will start catching hold of the filament, so then when you're printing you get lines appear in your prints. One other thing I just want to mention is the new bed replacement sheets that you can get. I've noticed for some reason the only ones that seem to be available are the smooth ones. Now they've got no texture to them whatsoever, when the ones that actually came with the Dremels are textured. So what you need to do is put a little tiny bit of hairspray down, and then all you do is just print on top of that. It's absolutely fine, and then they just pop right back off. Put a little bit more hairspray down, do the same again. So that's my Dremel setup to work with any filament. As you can see, I've got 4 set up currently. I've got another 3 to bring in yet, but these all ran hours and hours and hours. I think in total during the first lockdown we did, I think it was something close to 37,000 headbands, face shields, on these machines. Yeah, it was a busy operation down here in Cornwall. So yeah, any questions, just leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys.
Be strong.